A printer needs to make a poster that will have a total of 500 centimeters square and will have a 30 centimeter margin on the sides and 2 centimeters on the top and bottom. What dimensions of the poster will have the greatest printed area? So, from our drawing, we can say that the total area can be x times y is equal to 500. And since 2 centimeters is taken from the top and bottom, we can say that our length is y minus 4, and for our width is x minus 6. So our x is the width and our y is the length. Now, to get the area formula is length times width. So from our drawing, our length is the x minus 6 and y minus 4. But wait, our y can be gotten as 500 over x, since we divided x to both sides. And with that, we can use the FOIL method. And using the FOIL method, we can get 524 minus 4x minus 3000 over x. And once we got that, we get our first derivative. So since 524 is a constant, it equates to 0. And we get negative 4 plus 3000 x raised to negative 2 is equal to 0. If you're wondering why I got x raised to negative 2, I simply got it up so that it will be easier to derive. Now, once we got that, we transpose the 4 so that it can be convenient to simplify. To simplify, multiply both sides by x squared to cancel out the x squared. That's how we got the 4x squared is equal to 3000. Now, what we want is for only x to remain. So, let's derive both sides by 4. And that's how we got x squared is equal to 750. But we still need only x. So, we square both sides. And that's how we got x is equal to 5 square root of 30. And to make sure that this is the maximum, we get the second derivative test. And for the second derivative test, negative 4 and its derivative is 0. And 3000 x raised to negative 2, its derivative is 6000 over x cubed. Now, let's substitute x with our given value. And with this, we substituted x and got negative 219. And as stated with the test, if a is less than 0, then it is the maximum. But if it is greater, then it is the minimum. Now, we get our dimensions. For our length, we simply substitute x with 5 square root of 30. And that is how we got 21.39 centimeters. And for our length, we got our 14.26 centimeters.